Next video coming up, we're replacing the starting solenoid on both engines. I tested this one. Basically what I did at the nav station, because we got a 12-volt outlet, I just put 12 volt to these two wires, and you can hear it very clearly. It's clicking fine, but once I put it back on, it still wouldn't start. Started a few times after that, and then intermittently it would not start. So there's something wrong on the inside, because when I jump these two wires, when it's on the engine starts right up. Do need to replace this one. This one, I plugged the two wires that were these ones. I plugged these two here and wouldn't start. Did some research. Turns out this one, the body is the ground. So basically, ground wire I need to put here, and then this wire I need to put here, and then it will be able to be activated to activate basically the solenoid. So these wires go here. Here. So that's more white. So let's see. And now we need to change the connectors for this because it's not the same size. Can you try and start the engine? All good. As you can see when the engine is running, vibration is huge. Can you turn it off? All good. Okay, on to the next side. That's it. Both of them replaced. And don't forget to like and subscribe.